yantombatanyana lena ithathela Similo. Angachubeki ngangindaba bese ngiyakhala. That was Enhle the Poetess line. Anginibikele ngiphinze nginemukeleke babukele behlelo lena nilithandzana elihamba embili eSatini TV na 7 lonke nje Dandla nenkondlo libito lami ngingifortunate ngwamabuzeni etmos ukuthi nani mina for choose cut Saturday inkondlo mina futhi angidisappointing ngihlala ngimtshela ukuthi ngitana aba brand new utibute ukuthi ha na ngisongondla bangibo besongondla ngoba wena you are wasting time nahlake sina Enhle the Poetess. Enhle the Poetess uthi cha mina ngisukumela kona kumela the girl child ngisho ngithi cha now you can be the person that you want to be uthi yena utawuchubeka abe nguye sonkondlo kepha ke kuze ngingamoneli Enhle the Poetess move ukuthi uthini uthi ufika njani vele ekubeni nguye sonkondlo.
Nginguleyani mfumbatanyana lencane nelebayithathela Similo. Itolo besimathe nelwimi lamhla sebuhlwanya engabe vele sono sami yini kulona mhlaba. Kwakumnanzi ngikhula nginthandvokati lethandva kongiligapho kubami badali awu kodwa mhlaba wasesewuhlaba kangaka. Itolo bengihleka nabo baze bavetele emhlathi kanembali ematinyo liguma lamhla sesami simo kuhlekisa ngaso bangibukelele bafunga kuyami impilo lo usadayidla ngeluthi kuseselide leli vele kulide lelide kutama kwami kulona mhlaba itolo bengikhala nabo lamhla sebakhangisa ngelisizi lempilo yami kanti mina angisuye sonkondlo ngingileya mfombatanyana lencane lebayithathela Similo. Itolo bengijabula nabo cha itolo bengibajabulela ngijabule ngaze ngajelombelele njabulo leyo letale injabiso kimi bayahleka bayatshekethula bafungile na itolo nanyalo basasho sekuvalwe ngelihlahla kulo yamuti kodwa akusenani ke noma mina sengawushiya lona mhlaba angisenani lengisenayo lengihlalele kulona mhlaba. Ngihleli nje emthundini sengiphunikele le emalibeni sengivele ngibhodvulile sebalele kokulala kenyalo emathuneni ngishaya ngumhlaba nje sengishanyelela ngakhona lokungenani abasale bangilanza yize sebalele kokuthula kenyalo ngithula nje kulona mhlaba nemadlodi asangifulathele kodwa akusenani lami libanga sengiliqedzile yami indlela sengendlulile kuyo. Noma ke sengawushiya lona mhlaba akusenani mina angisiye sonkondlo ngingileyani mfombatanyana lencane lenayithathela Similo.
Enhle the Poetess, welcome to Dandla nenkondlo sejabula kuba nawe. Kunini ufuna kuba kaDandla nenkondlo but finally walithola leli thuba ngicovusela umbukele ekhaya uthi introduce kahle ngoba mina ngisithi Enhle the Poetess. They really want to know you ukuthi ungubani kahle kahle.
Ngiyanibingelela babukele emakhaya ligama lami ngimina Enhle ngwakaMango Sibongo ngotsabuka le Eliyengo ngingisonkondlo. I go by the stage name Enhle the Poetess. Ngihlala eMbabane eHilltop. Oh, I'm pleased ukugcina finally gcina ngifikile kuleli hlelo. Bengisolo ngifisa shem. All thanks to you.
All right, Enhle now uthi ungisonkondlo ucala nini kuba poet?
Way back ngisakhula but ngisho ukuthi kungena in the poetry industry ngiqale early 2023
okay
of which ngisesemusha ngaqala nje kancane esontweni ngiperforma ngakhula but then here we are today.
Okay, yini lena le kwende wagcine uthatha lesinqumo sekuthi uyathi kuthini nginyalo ngithatha ipoetry serious hayi lo lemfo yami ukuthi ngidawubhala nje ngidlala bese sengigcina khona lapho yini lena le kwende wathi no yabona nyalo ngifuna kuba ngienhle the Poetess so that wonke umuntu atowadi ukuthi ngisonkondlo.
Ngiyayithanda poetry, it means everything to me. In poetry ngilapho khona ngikhona ukuthi expressa how I feel, ngikhona nengena in other people's voices, ngikhona ukukhuluma about into labangakhona bona ukukhuluma ngato basically lonke uzokhona kusuka wena uyotshela someone else but deep down you really want to talk about that something. I just want to heal people.
Okay,
yes,
all right, so lokuqalile ke 2023 lokuthatha i-poetry serious kukhona yini bamvu lo so now uhledi ubabona ukuthi cha yathi ngathi shinjani impilo tabo noma bede kuwe bathi yathi ukuthi Enhle wasisida la ngepoetry yakho kuhamba kanjani?
Bakhona I can't mention their names but then bakhona ukhanze ukuthi lo munye maybe u go through some situation, a situation le bucayi, but then like I don't know how to explain it, but then ngakhona ukuthi ngingene ecathulweni takhe ngikhulume nga that thing that like then lo muntu uyakhona ukuhilisheka deep inside.
Okay. All right, now ukhuluma ukuthi bayalapheka, but inkondlo takho udibha la ugcile kutiphi tihloko?
Mostly is about abuse, abandonment, rape. Oh, nelithando actually. Angisho abantu labasha bayajula, so.
Okay.
Yeah, it has to have a taste of love.
Okay.
And
all right, yini lele kwenda ubhale ngaleti hloko leti ngoba lo munye uyaye athi no mina ngifocus nature ngoba ngiyaye ngithi nangu nature ngitive ngilapheka kube kanje ya wena ke why u choose leti tihloko?
Oh, okay. Basically about love. Bakhona abantu baningi baselithandweni, but then khona labafike bakhulume kabi lithandvo. Like ngizama kuletha lo mqondo kubantu ukuthi lithandvo lingaba luhle kushiyana ukuthi wena uthi conduct kanjani. Bese about bo rape and abuse yinfo lesiphila nayo kulamalanga, but lesingakhona ukuyi-express. Khanze ukuthi bantu bakhona kuma relationships, bakhona emakhaya, they are being abused. Kunetibitendlu abakhona ukukhuluma. Lena inkondlo lenginasihloko asokhala mshana ngomdlalo nje lona waqala lapho kumdlalo lo wayishiya itimvithi yamhlitiyo kanti kawugcinanga lapho waphinze waqedza ngeyamphilo bumnyama bavele baguquka wami umngani bengisacela ngelisuku lwami lemgcobo ningigqokiselelali loko lami lelimnyama phela ngilokuphela lelati kangcono ngebumnyama bempilo yami abengena phuma kuyami inkhoma phinzelela ngiphinza nangetibhakela phinza ungibone ngithemba umuntu ngayivishisa kelete impudlo yami ingadi kimi kwala ngisho sengitishweletela amalumu yangilimata waqhubeka wabhukusha kusona leso lesasibovu ingadi isitipa enhlitweni ngiyopha nekumbopha ngithembena ngeke ungiside lesekusele nje ngilenkhehle yesilonza lengayophola nanini enhlitweni yami waqhubeka umdlalo wagcina sewusinkwa semihla ngemihla imihla yonke yekuphila kwami injabulo kangiyati inkomo yami ke wayiguqula inkhundla yakhe yetemidlalo ngehla ngenyuka naso silikhaga nje kufanele phela akadanga cishe bufakazi nasemtholampilo impilo kangayitholi lokutholakele nje igciwane leselandze nemtimba wonke vele malumu yalumana asaleke sevele sengitigubhela mina lomgodzi welithuna lami ngoba kwale ngisho ngitihamula kuto tihlobo kwahlupha yona levako mina ngevele senginconota yona le emgodzini ngoba ethuneni ngiyobe sengithule kwekuthula umphefumulo uyothola kuphumula ngibhala lenkondlo nje ngihleli phase emthundweni langa ngisuluka nelanga lana kusekho kubuyela emuva le emathuneni sengivele ngayibhodvula yakhanya ba lokusele nje inkhehle yesilonze enhlitweni yami nemfula longayukoma wethinyembete emehlweni ami lusizi vele seliguquke wami umngani kanti mina noma sengawushiya lo mhlaba akusenani isifiso sami lesengisele naso sesinye ukuthi ngithathe ngifake enthanyeni hambe ngiyohlangana nabo bami badala kusale sekuphela ngabo kanti mina ngisuye sonkondlo ngingileyani mfombatanyana lencane lena ayithathela simili bukile
uyayithola yini isupport kulabanye bosonkondlo or you have umumfulo yaye uthi nasobhalile bese sothi cha awungifundzele la noma umfundzele alalele uyaye wende kanjani?
Oh, my friends, they are always there for me. Poetry wise, like they are not poets, my friend. My friends, they are not poets. But then bayakhona kungilalela ngibhale befike endlini ngilale ubhale namuhla ngibashelo like they used to tell me, they used to encourage me, go out there, make us proud. And then there is this one girl, oh I love her, Ogutle the poet. She goes by the name Ogutle the poet. She's always been there. She's the one helping me with poetry. Yes, she's the one, and I'm so grateful.
Okay. Yes. All right, ngiyajabula nangabe base bakhona bo sonkondlo labama females. Yini wena lena lekwende wathatha le stand wathi yathi kuthini as much as ngibona ukuthi ka poetry igcole ema males but as Enhle the poetess ngiyafuna lokuthi ngibalayele lamanye ama ladies ukuthi poetry iyendeka. Yini lena lekwende wathi cha ngawukhona mina ukuyimele le poetry as a female?
In every aspect of life, we should have a female voice. Yes, there are things letenteka kithi thina ema-females labangeke bafana bakhona ukurelate kuto. Yes, so that's why we need the female voice ka-poetry. So I'll be the one, I can say.
Okay. All right, bosonkondlo befukela abancane, the girl child. Uyaye asho athi, I like writing, I love writing, I love reading, but uyesaba lokuthi aphumele ngephandle bamfu bambona recite embikwe bamfu ngwaphi emamvu longamupha wona ukuthi naye atogaina le confidence lo agcine nawe uyigainile.
Oh, ngisho ukuthi bathi sibinzi yabulala sibinzi yaphilisa. Ngisho ukuthi she should go out there. Nami ngaqala kungekho lula. Like I remember my first time performing angikhuluma ngalo kwasesontweni performing a theatre club lapha eMbabane. Like I was impressed. Bengisaba, I was nervous. You could hear it like through my voice ukuthi no, this child is so nervous. But like ngale ndlela le audience leya lebe irresponda ngayo uyakhula. All I can say ukuthi ka poetry industry labantu lesesinabo nyalo like they are growing. Angeke ukuthi ngoba sewukhohle line sebatakuhleka, no, they won't, but instead I was like go on. So that's how we gain our confidence. Akukho lula, but then ugcina ukhona as time. Keep on trying, never stop trying. Yes.
Okay, utibona kuphi ku poetry? Let me give you 6 months as a poet. Utibona kuphi?
6 months. Isikhathi lesincane, but then honestly in 6 months time I don't know, but then lengufisile ukuthi lengifisa ukugcina ngikwendile ka poetry industry, whether it will be 6 months or over 2 years, but not more than the space of 3 years. I want to write my own poetry book by Enhle the Poet. I'll be writing in Siswati only because of course we're in Eswatini, we are Swazis.
Okay.
Yes, so my wish is to publish my own book and have my own shows, one-man shows for a poetry, just to mina ngajabula nokuthi ngibite nala ngimeme nalabo labasakhula ka poetry, labasesebancane ka poetry, ukuthi kuthi bangeta batokhona nabo kushare how they express themselves, yabo. Yes.
Okay, akumbeke kuthata labanye labenda imisebenzi leyahlukahlukene basebenzise amathalenta abo ungathini kibo?
Ngathi whatever you are doing, believe in yourself, believe in your capabilities. That's what my high school teacher used to say. Believe in your capabilities. Ngende kutibukele phasi whatever lokwendako. Lithi iBhayibheli wonke umsebenzi osetandleni lakho wende ngemandla akho onke. So whatever lokwendako, put your all. Faka i-effort yakho yonke. In that way, like before you have friends, you have to be your own fan first. Utale uti believe wena ukuthi no, this thing I'm doing, I can do it. It's worth it. So like kufuna sende tinfo lesitithandzako, letinfo letifunwa ngithi, not basically tinfo letikaphi, but letinfo lesibona ukuthi phela this time like lesikhathi lesiphila kuso imisebenzi ayisatholakala. So uphila ngelikhono lakho lonalo. Uma utawuthatha wena lelakho ulifake phasi embhedze like sitokhatingani thina. Yabo, all I can say ukuthi nje konke lokwendako kwendisisa ngemandla akho onke. Ubese ubelieve in your capabilities. That's why you'll go a long way.
All right. So enhleke nasimfuna kuma shows simfuna nekuthi motivate phinza mentorishe bamfa befu simfola kanjani Enhle?
Ngithola ma contact details ami MTN 78103542 Buswazi Mobile 79256454 uyangithola.
Okay, and social media ke?
Social media ka FB ngimfufume Mimbokazi, ka TikTok ngiFace Enhle. Lawa manje itelo babonile umjingo dliwa inhlitiyo phela nebuthongo abufiki mangithe kucabanga ngaye kuyelithanda ngolitholile kuyelithemba ngilibekile enhlitweni yakhe ke ngitholela ikhaya lami buka phela umthombo wenjabulo yami kuye kanti ke nesiyalo sekuthula kuye sihlale siphophoma njalo ke ingcondo nenhlitiyo yami kuhlale kucabanga yena angani kufanele phela yena oyinthando kati yami Uma-ke insizwa kuyathi kucela indlela lapha kimi ngigucuka ngibe sigijimi sakho umuntu wami ngitawufika kuye sengiphethe ligama Sibongo kanti-ke nale nombolo lengisuke nginikete yena njengakagogo edladleni ngifike ngithule konke kuye umuntu wami sekuyawuchazelwa yena ukuthi mina bengitakwendani emajukujukwini ekujula kwenhlitiyo ngiyajabula ngawe labadzala ababonile luthando kaliboni vele angeke bakubone lokho lengikubona kuye mina ngibona lokho bona labangakubone. Bengisacela-ke mangabe kukhona lo nemlayedo wami aphathise sona sithandwa sami phela mina angiseva nasemandlebeni sengiva ngaye edala bengisacela ningiside ningadise nasekusile ngoba emehlweni angisabona emehlo agcwele lithando ladala phela lona ngamphiwa nguSimakadze dala ngaye ngitawuchubeka ngihlehletele tonke tinkhalo ngenhlonipho ngitawukhilikithele emagcuma nemawa ngelithando lakhe ngitawuchubeka ngilifumbathise kweligolide esandleni sami luthando lwakhe lumtoti luyangenetisa toti ngitawuchubeka ngihambe nalo ngijije ngishishimbe namaketa lemabaleni noma-ke seningathini ngaye kimi sekuyafana sengihlangatumuka nemoya lalela phela luthando lwakhe lungibambe eshice lushisa livuthe emalangabi ngiyakutshela wena lushisa libhubhise kwasani nami liyangishisa imbala kodwa bengisacela ningalicishi noma selungimashaya bhuceli nje just like COVID-19 amaphapha amagcwala umoya njalo nangithi ngicabanga ngaye bengisacela ningangelaphi-ke miyeke lena vele i-COVID-19 yami makathanda utawuvele endlule nami bengisacela nisite nanimbone umuntu wami nimtshele ukuthi akasalaphumula kunina gijima enhlitweni yami.
That was Enhle the Poetess ngethemba ukuthi utijabulele inkondlo takhe but mina ngithazi lo ukuthi ugcine ngekuthi utijabulele funza phela Enhle the Poetess nawe wena lona mahloni njengami uyaba ukuthi nawe songaphumela ngephandle uyendele mfu babone ukuthi ha Fojukani unje sitawushiya khona emakethe kepha-ke uhlale phansi ungayenzanga ngana sibuya sizochubeka nalo hlelo. Mbukelo ihlelo Tandla Nenkondlo wende kahle wathatha lesinqumo wathi cha mina ngiyahlala phansi ngiyachubeka ngiyabukela ihlelo lami lengilithandayo yathi uyangichaza kanjani nawuthi ihlelo lakho lolithandzako yo ngivele nje ngive ukuthi ayikhona mani babukela isolo babambisene nami niyathi masikosi nasuka ngale ka poetry bese sesiyeda stofunza ukuthi ngetandla takho kepha yini lo ngaba busy ngayo ngiliphi liswati wena lekumele ukuthi kuleli viki usukumele etulu uhambe yolisupporta noma solisupporta ngemali noma solisupporta ngaloko longalisuporta ngayo sitawuchubeka mbukeli hlala phansi nje ubona ukuthi emaswati abhizi ngani ngato Tandla tawo.
Bito lami ngilindani Villarati. Kulele endzawini eseshiselweni kaHlatsi. So ngifunze khona, qeda khona right now pursue degree in Bachelor of Arts in Social Sciences. So lengikwendako mina ngi-visual artist. So when we talk of visual art, we talk of the kind of art that is visible, or maybe I can say it involves drawings, paintings. It can't be maybe sculptures, but it is visual, other than music, which is audible. The arts that you listen to when I just do pencil drawings most of the time. I use graphite. To draw. Usually, because I love people and I just love the way they are. So, good game, something that is natural. So, at the age of 5, I was exposed to pencil. I could feel the drive. Something. Maseng tfebele yon for beng vanga tiknek pele la lagim. Nebe nek jabula la ngekhathi ukuthi okay. Ngiyakhona ukufeba invotsite. Kwakhula ke over the years. Kwathi masengina 16 years. There is when I started ukudweba ngendlela le cacako. Mhlambe mabuka loyo muntu lengifebile. Bongabona ukuthi ngibani loyo muntu. So kwakhula kanjalo and lubeba kusho bantu ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukudweba sekhulisa ukuthi if ngidweba lo mfulona and uyabonakala. So translate is ikhona kimi because angizange ngafundziswa. I'm a self-taught visual artist. So I think it comes natural. It's in the genes. It's genetically controlled, I guess. So mina ukudweba like the inspiration yami ukudweba qhamuka kakhulu kubantu. Njengokuthi mhlambe ngibone umuntu lo ngisaziwayo mhlambe impilo la iphilako eyangichaza. Dinevela tendile tinemthelela lomuhle emphakathini ngafaka ekhathi bosomabhizinisi labakhulu, ngafaka ekhathi bahlabeleli, balingisi, bamabonakude. I-inspiration yami ibuya kule ndlela labaphila ngayo because nami ngingumuntu ofisa kufika ezingeni thide lempilo, maybe ngasho ukuthi financially noma nge-character noma mhlambe nge-reputation emangweni. Bese ngalesinye isikhathi inspiration yami ichamuka ku-nature. When I look at nature, I appreciate indalo yaNkulunkulu. Kubona nalokuxhumana lengiba nako nendalo, mhlambe kungaba tilwane thide, so bese-ke mhlambe ngiyasithweba leso silwane because ngiva ngathi sihle le ndalo yihle. Kakhulu ngithola kubantu nendalo inspiration yami. Nakulamanye-ke ama-artists la khona eveni na semhlabeni wonke. Khule thanda umculo, kakhulu hip hop. Grew up listening to South African hip hop. Ngasho ukuthi Nasty C is my favorite in the whole world. When I think of hip hop, the first person to come to mind is Nasty C. His versatility in music or the hip hop genre yang-inspiration ukuthi emthebeni ukuthi ngimthande, kuphinde nempilo yakhe uyachaza ukuthi ukhule ede makela mdala kodwa khonile to break those barriers, abe successful and be public figure and be renowned worldwide the way he is. So kungichaza kakhulu lokho njengoba ngishilo ukuthi mangibuka lempilo yomuntu nendlela entangayo ngitshela ukuthi konke possible, konke kungenteka nangabe mhlawumbe ufake amandla kumsela. Sithombe semhlonishwa Honorable Minister of Labour and Social Security, Philip Tellez. Khamike ngabe ukuthi bengibuka ama-ministers and kwaba nekuxhumana thide ngempilo yami ukuthi bengingadinga scholarship at that time bengingakasitholi. So because uNkulunkulu ngiphile lesiphiwo lesi, kwafika nje inhlakanipho ekuthi ngimfeke nelithemba lokuthi makasibona lesifombe ngakhona kumchazela ngenzaba yami emfunzayo. Ngaba nenhlanhla ngakhona kumchazela ngelithando lanalo lebantu bakhona kungisida. Akungasiwo lokho kuphela nalokuthi umuntu lomkhulu inze udlala ichaza elikhulu emangweni njengoba bengishilo cela ukuthi abantu labadlala ichaza elikhulu emangweni ngithanda ukuzobabona. Lenguconza komina ukuthi cishe konke labakwenda kwabantu badalwe nawo, which means even like ukufunza, it's because umuntu mhlambe bekakhona natural then uyakhona ufundisa lo munye because ingqondo yomuntu yakhona ukuthi ifunza izinto letintsha. Lengizama ukusho ukuthi ngakhona mina ukufundisa umuntu from the basics, from sketch to kudweba mhlambe qale kubonakala the shapes of that particular drawing. I can be able to do that because i-prove yaloko ngilokhu siphinze kunema-courses lakhona, like fine arts is one of the courses that are taught emhlabeni. Umbala lo ngathanda kudweba mhlambe lona leshisekelo ethina ngakhona mhlambe kudweba. Angeke ngithi ngadi kahle la eSwatini kodwa esikoleni esifunzani iyafundziswa i-fine arts lapha eMbabane. Engakusho kulabathanza i-art, bengasho mhlambe i-visual arts, ngaba kupenda, ngaba kudweba, ngaba mhlambe kubada izinto thide. Ngasho ukuthi iphupho lakhe elingile angalinyatheli ngokuba mhlambe kude insita thide that alifeze, kodwa yena akazame ukufuna lwadi ngalokho lakuthandzako abese kufuneni lwadi lakhe ufaka imandla ekuzameni ukuyenda lena. Possible ukuthi adayise umsebenzi wakhe wedandla kuma-galleries lafaka ekhathi yebo art gallery tholakala ezulwini kuneyini loku gallery lapha edolobheni lelikhulu eMbabane. Lawo ama-gallery ngingathengisa kuwo akhona lalamanye ama-gallery njengeBahle art gallery. Umuntu lo ngathanda indlela engifeba ngayo mhlawumbe afuna ukusebenzisana nami, ngaba ukuthi mhlawumbe ufuna ukuthi ngimfebe uyakuthenga sifombe thide kimi, angakhona ngifola ka-Facebook lapho angabhala Lindani James Mispa Vilakati, ka-Instagram Mispa_Vilakati. Bese mangathanda ukungishayela ngangishayela enombolweni ya-MTN lethi 7615 6321 noma ya Eswatini mobile lethi 79077478.
Lokungapheli ngabe kuyahlola kepha ngiyahlola ukuthi wena ukuthokodela kuhlala nathi la kaTandla nenkondlo wafunza tinkondlo wafunza nemsebenzi wetandla wakhuthetheka wabona nawe ukuthi hayi man yathi nginalo leli talent leli lelihlukile kunalawa lovama kwabona lahlelweni ungesabi ke ukuthi uphume ngephandle talent lakho abantu bakusupport mina ngiyathi usemaswati ahlale agadze lokusha lokuvela kiwo lamanye emaswati batho khona ukuthi bamsupport loyo lowendako umsebenzi sitabana naye mbukeli evikini elitako ngaso isikhathi sifana. Goodbye and God bless.